Welcome, future dentists. Today, we're diving into the magical world of root canal treatment. Here's your roadmap: why we do it, how we do it, what we use, and how to make sure it succeeds. Let's go! Indications for RCT. You perform a root canal when the pulp is inflamed or infected. Think deep cavities, trauma, cracks, or persistent pain. The goal? Save the tooth and stop infection from spreading. The mission: shape, clean, fill. Your mission has three main goals. First, shape the canal. Create a smooth taper, but keep the tooth's natural anatomy. Second, clean the canal. Irrigate, disinfect, and remove all debris. Think of it like a spa for the root canal, flushing out bacteria and debris. Third, fill it. Seal it in 3 dimensions so bacteria can't sneak back in. That's how we prevent or treat periapical disease. Step 1. Shaping. Start with access. Remove the pulp camber roof. Then, carefully shape using files or rotary instruments. Remember, over-instrumentation can weaken the tooth. Step 2. Cleaning. Next, clean the canal with sodium hypochlorite, EDTA, or chlorhexidine. Think of it like a spa for the root canal, flushing out bacteria and debris. Step 3. Filling it. Fill it with Gutta-Percha plus sealer to seal every nook and cranny. A well-filled canal equals a happy, healthy tooth. Materials and tools. Fun facts. From stainless steel files to rotary NiTi instruments, from NaOCl to bioceramic sealers, the right tools make the job smooth and predictable. Complications and tips. Watch out for instrument separation, ledging or perforation, and missed canals. Prevention is key. Proper technique, irrigation, and imaging. Outcome and success. A well-done root canal can last a lifetime. Success means no pain, no infection, and a fully functional tooth. Quick quiz. Time to test your dental detective skills. Question 1. What's the main goal of cleaning the canal? Answer: remove debris and bacteria. Question 2. Which material is used to fill the canal? Answer: Gutta-Percha. Question 3. When is RCT indicated? Answer: inflamed or infected pulp. Ending or recap. Shape, clean, fill. Remember your 3 goals. Follow the steps, choose the right tools, avoid complications, and your patients will thank you with bright smiles.